Yuck. Oh. Haha. I'm making Blackberry Crème Brûlée. I make Grand Marnier Crème Brûlée, which already has a tinge of orange. That's why I have an orange. Did you eat the orange? No, but I will. Anyway. This is about 2 ounces, 5 ounces of heavy cream. Sugar. 3 egg yolks. Like that. Stop this thing. That's my problem. I didn't think about how ugly this color was gonna be. Right into there. And I just realized I'm probably only gonna have enough to make maybe 2 if I'm lucky. Okay. Oh, it's fine. Everything's fine. Man, just stuck with it on. This is just a test. I think my boyfriend's birthday is not till next week.